You want to say anything?
Yeah, I'll do an intro and then you can count me in.
You're live.
Oh! I'm live! Hey, it's Dorothy! No, I'm kidding. So, it has been a while since we've done a Mad Minute. Tonight, I'm talking about thieves. So, Drew, count me in. Let's see if I can do this in a minute.
Your Mad Minute begins now.
All right, Thieves is a great germ eliminator, and it's great for the immune system. I'm going to show you today how you can make your own roller bottle. Thieves Wellness Roller Bottle. You can roll it on the bottom of your feet. You can roll it on your spine. You can also diffuse Thieves as well to eliminate germs in the air. So all you're going to do is take an empty roller bottle. This is the YL Thieves roller. It doesn't have to be this one. It can be a plain one as well. I'm going to add 10 drops.
30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 drops of the pure Thieves essential oil. Then I've got a hemp oil here as my carrier oil. I'm just going to fill.
15 seconds.
It in. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump, pump it up. I'm going to put my roller fitment on top.
5 seconds.
And then, bam! We've got ourselves a Thieves Wellness Roller to protect our immune system and eliminate the germs. Pow!
Time!
That was perfect.
It's 105.
Oh, 105. That's close. So you can see, guys, how easy it is to make your own little wellness roller at home with Thieves. So if you need any help getting your hands on some Thieves or some tips on how to boost your immune system throughout the winter, January can be quite a rough month getting back into routines. But I'm always here for your oiling needs, and I would love to get oily with you. So let me know if you need any help. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next Mad Minute. Bye, guys.